Can you solve this kind of sums in few seconds? Yes, of course, we can solve this kind of sums in few seconds when you see video till to end. So let's start. So, this kind of sums you have to learn in this video. What? 452 into 9. The answer is yes, of course, 4068 is the answer. Now, 5249 into 99. What is the answer? Yeah, 51. Oh no, 5,19,354 is the answer. So now 64,874 into 9,999. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 64, 86, 75, 82 and 6. This is the answer. You learn from this video how to solve this kind of sums. Important notice there. About to this kind of sums means
then check out the link in the description.
this question into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. Okay. How you can solve this kind of sums in a
first we have to learn that or practice that
few
a balance
seconds.
and carryover rule. Okay, what is balance and carryover rule?
You have to also learn how to solve this kind of sums in a few seconds. Then see the video till to end. Otherwise you can't understand the video.
Balance and carryover rule. Okay.
So, our today concept is that multiplication means x into series of 9. Okay. So, sand in a Vedic math technique you have been developed with the base as 10 in the previous lecture. Hence, 9 can be expressed as 10 minus 9. Okay. When we subtract 10 minus 9. When you subtract 10 minus 1, the answer comes 9. I hope you agree with me if I say 9 equals to 10 minus 1. Okay. Now, in the previous lecture you learned that a series of 9, then that sums have a different formula or a standard formula, and in this sums also the different formula or a standard formula of these sums. Okay. This sums formula is how to multiply any number. Okay. Standard formula is to multiply any number by 9 is x. Here is given x, so I take in the form of x2 means any number. Okay. Any number by 2. Okay. Any number by 2 means the answer comes 18. Now 18 multiplied by 10 minus 1. Okay, like this the standard formula has been used. Now one important note is there. If you want a text solution, then check out the link in the description, my vedicmathsbook.blogspot.com. Okay. So new concept, multiplication means x into series of 9. So let's take an example for a better explanation. 452 into 9. Okay. Now multiply 452 by 10 and subtract 452 from that number for the example. Okay. Means here in this question. Okay. This question 452. Now you have to multiply by 10 means the answer comes here one more 0, 4520. Now you have to subtract that question only from this value. Okay, this value. Now we have to subtract this 4 5 2 0 minus 4 5 0. Okay, 452. Okay, you have to solve this kind of sums. So let's take an example. Now here 4520. Why 20? Because we have to multiply by 10. Okay, so the answer is 4520. Now subtract that number from that value. Okay, now our answer is 4068. Means you can multiply 452 into 9. The answer comes 4600. Okay, 4068 is your answer. It means apply the separation technique that I told in this video for the subtraction. Okay. If you understand this kind of sums, then chat me in the section. Yes, I can understand this kind of sums. So let's take another example. Here 4 digit was given and into 1 9 only. Okay, so let's take one example. Now multiply 3276 by 10. Now and subtract 3276 from that number. Okay, means the answer comes 32,760. Why 32,760? Because we multiply here by 10. Okay, now subtract that number from that value. Now our answer is 29,484. It means our final answer is, or our question, this question we can say is that 32,776 into 9, the answers comes 29,484. You can check by your simple maths. The answers comes like this only. Okay, this solution you have to do in your mind. For explanation I do in here. Okay, now let's take a last example of multiply by single 9. Okay, 5,946 into 9. So now multiply 5,946 into 10 and subtract 5,946 from that number. So our answer is 59,460 by subtract 5,946. Okay, so our answer is 53,514. Means we can say that we can multiply 5,946 into 9. Our answers comes 53,514. Okay, now here in this question, in the previous sums we learn how to multiply series by 9, but here series by 99. Means any digit multiply by 99. Okay, so let's take one example. Now here we have to take series of 99. So here example is 5,246 into 99. Now in the previous sums we put here 10 only. Why 10 after digit? Because there was a single multiply by 9. Okay, means like this 5,246 multiply by single 9. That's why we subtract. Okay, sorry, that's why we multiply by 10. But here now the 2 digit was given, so we have to multiply the digit by 100. Okay, so here we have to put 2 zeros. Now 5,24,600. Okay, and subtract 5,246 from it. Okay, now our answer is 64, 86, 75 and 126. This big digit is the answer of this multiplication. Okay, 5,246 into 99. Now here the series of 9,999, you have to do that like only. Now here we have to put 4 zeros. Why 4 zeros? Because there was a 49. Okay, now subtract that number from that value. Now our answers comes 64, 86, 75 and 126. It's the answer of this question. Okay, means you have to use that value only, that method only to solve this kind of sums. But instead of 2 zeros, 3 zeros, here 9 4 is given, so you have to put here 4 zeros. Okay, 4 nines 4 0. Now here the series is 99, 99, 99. Okay, means 9,99,999. Now you are suffering from big digit. Okay, so here is 6 9 was given, so you have to put the 6 zeros and subtract that number from that. Now the answer is 23, 55, 99, 76 and 44 is the answer of this value. Okay, means these sums. Now what you learn from this video? You learn from this video that how to solve the multiplication sums series of 9, and you can solve the double series of 99, 9,099 or above of that. Okay, what you have to learn in next video or the next lecture? You have to learn in the next lecture that how to solve a special type of multiplication. For example, here 643 into 9, 9 and 9 means 999. My Vedic Maths book. One important note is that if you want a text solution, then check out our link in the description, myvedicmathsbook.blogspot.com. So hello students, I hope you learned some new things or method to solve this kind of sums, then subscribe to our channel for our upcoming lecture, and you learn some new method to solve this kind of sums, then press the like button. Until then,